Hello everybody, this is Natalie. I haven't made a cooking video in a while because I've just been busy remodeling my house and starting a new little side business. But today I'm going to try making a deep fried tomato sandwich, or let's just say a battered tomato sandwich. You know, a few weeks ago I had the candied bacon tomato sandwich. It was fabulous. I need to find ways to make this unhealthy. It's all right. I'm already using brioche bread, so let's make it just a little bit richer, okay? So I'm going to start with 1/4 cup of flour, and then I'm going to use low sodium Old Bay seasoning. Just put in there what your heart tells you. That's a lot. Okay. Now I'm going to use 1 egg, and then I'll see how much milk I need to add. Okay, so let's start with 1/4 cup. And I'm using brioche bread for this, so it's going to be extra rich. That looks nice and rich there, doesn't it? You know what, I'm going to add a little bit of sherry to this too. This is sherry cooking wine. Let's see how that does. Just a splash. It's kind of strong, the flavor anyway. I'll add some red pepper flakes. Tabasco, who doesn't love Tabasco? Just a few little drops. Okay, let's let that heat up. I'm going to do low to medium, just because I want it to heat for a little bit longer, get a nice even heat on that pan. These are from the garden too, so even better. Okay, cut that little June bug out there. I love this vegetable. It's a vegetable / meat cleaver, but it's great for pumpkins in the fall too. Try to get these thin. God, these are so good. Oh, I'm going to miss these. We have our Duke's mayo. Always Duke's. Okay. Get a nice thick coat of that on there. All right, so lots of pepper. Reiterate this Old Bay here. I probably should put vodka in here. That would be like a Bloody Mary, deep fried Bloody Mary sandwich. Take that off for a minute. Got our tomatoes on here. Let's do that. Okay. Looks good. Everything nice and buttered. Okay, now we're going to dip this into the batter. It's a nice thick batter too. Damn, it is thick. Holy moly. There's no telling how it's going to turn out. All right. Let's turn it up a little bit. I don't fry things a lot. I saute, usually with olive oil, but there's just something about butter and tomatoes. I just came from a workout, that's why I look like this. Just going to fry each side, just to make sure I get the any uncooked flour, batter. Yeah, that's nice. All right, turn that back over, let that fry a little bit. All right. Now that is a handsome sandwich. Look at that. Very handsome sandwich.